Imagine a future where people stop using smartphones. No more looking down at screens. No more holding devices in your hand. That was the dream behind the Humane AI Pin. A tiny wearable AI device that promised to replace phones forever. Tech experts called it revolutionary. Investors gave the company hundreds of millions of dollars, but only months after launch, everything started falling apart. Bad reviews, angry customers, internet memes, and one simple question: how did the future fail so fast? Today, we are talking about why Humane AI Pin became one of the biggest AI product failures in recent years. The Humane AI Pin was created by former Apple employees. The company wanted to build something completely different from smartphones. Instead of using apps and screens, you would talk directly to AI.
When is the rain supposed to stop?
The device could answer questions,
The rain is expected to stop on Friday afternoon.
translate languages,
Estamos casi listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
and even project information onto your hand using a laser display. Honestly, it looked futuristic. The company presented it like the next big revolution in technology. Some people even called it the iPhone moment for AI. And because AI was becoming extremely popular, many people became excited. The internet was full of hype. People believed this tiny device could change the future forever. But there was one problem. The futuristic idea sounded much better than the actual product. After launch, reviewers finally tested the device in real life. And almost immediately, problems started appearing. First, the battery life was terrible. Some users said the battery drained very quickly during normal use. For a device designed to replace smartphones, that was a huge issue. Second, the AI responses were slow. Sometimes users waited several seconds just to get simple answers. That may not sound like a big problem, but people are already used to fast smartphones. Nobody wants to wait every time they ask AI something. Then came another problem. The device sometimes became too hot. And finally, the famous laser projector. In advertisements, the projection system looked amazing. But in reality, many people said it was difficult to see clearly, especially outside in bright sunlight. The futuristic feature became more annoying than useful. At this point, many reviewers started asking an important question. Why would people use this instead of their phones? This was the real reason Humane AI Pin failed. The company tried to solve a problem that most people did not have. Smartphones already do almost everything better. Phones are faster. Phones have better batteries. Phones have better cameras. And most importantly, people actually enjoy using screens. Humane believed people wanted to escape screens completely. But the truth was different. Most people still prefer seeing information visually and instantly. The AI Pin removed many useful things, without giving enough advantages in return. And because of that, the product felt incomplete. The idea may have been futuristic, but the world was simply not ready for it. Or maybe, the product itself was not ready. Once major tech reviewers uploaded their videos, everything changed. Negative reviews spread across the internet very quickly. People started making jokes and memes about the product. Some reviewers even called it one of the worst AI gadgets they had ever tested. The hype slowly disappeared. And the product that was supposed to replace smartphones became an example of how dangerous overhype can be. The internet can be brutal. One moment, people call you the future. The next moment, they call you a failure. But to be fair, Humane was not completely wrong. AI wearables may still become very important in the future. Many tech companies are now trying to combine AI with everyday life. So maybe Humane was simply too early. The vision itself was interesting. A world where AI assistants become more natural and invisible could still happen someday. But great ideas alone are not enough. Technology must also be practical. And sadly for Humane, the product was not practical enough. The Humane AI Pin failed because it promised the future, before the technology was truly ready. It tried to replace smartphones, without giving people a strong reason to leave them behind. But even though the product failed, its story teaches us something important. The AI hardware revolution is still coming, and one day, somebody may finally build the device Humane wanted to create. Just not like this. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about AI technology, futuristic gadgets, and the biggest tech successes and failures. Thanks for watching.